Hello. To check ended calls length on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, you have to go into the phone application and go into this recent right here. And here's your all of the calling history on your phone available, and you simply have to select any contact you want to check. For example, I will select this contact and press this. You have to press this button right here on the middle, and here you have the all of the calling history of this particular contact, and here you can see at which time the calls occurred, at which day actually, the period, and we have also the length of these calls. And as you can see right here, we have the arrow. We can extend this particular call and we can see some more information, and right here as we press it, here we can see the information from the text call. And yeah, we cannot unfortunately see the information of the call while we are using the translator, live translator. There's no such information, but we have the text call right here. So yeah, that's how to check the ended calls length. Thank you for watching.